You ain't no psycho. You're not like the others, no. No changing behavior.
So I'm going to just start off with this tutorial, which is applying my skincare. I've already applied the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. You know that's the stuff. And then I'm going to apply the eye cream. I was in a rush. Like, this is going to be like a talk through video, but I was just such in a rush, so I'm just going to do a voiceover. And I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury. This is her Brow Lift Eyebrow Pencil. This pencil is amazing. My brows are really dark naturally, so this one matches perfect. It's in the color Black Brown. And it's a pencil, but it has a powder finish. So it's like a powder pencil. And I just always outline the bottom of my brows. Then I take it's slanted, so I'll take the applicator and then I just pick upwards, and then I just fill in the top, and then I clean it up with a concealer. Also, I use the other end to brush the products through, to also brush my brow hairs up. I love how like the eyebrow style is like really changing. I thought I'd be doing my brows like that forever because I have thick brows, so like I really have no choice but to let my brows hair really show through the product because my brows are so thick. Like, I'm so hairy, like it's ridiculous. I'm just going to take the concealer. I'm using the Mercier concealer. This is like her only concealer she has, I believe. This concealer is the Flawless Fusion. This one is really thin and it's super easy to blend out. I'm using the Max 195 brush. I like the flat brushes to blend out the concealer and clean up the brows, so this is all I have. So I'm just going to use this one. It's at an angle, so it's really good to be able to like clean up and like for a concealer. I'm going to take this Chella brow gel. You can get this at Walgreens. Like if the Walgreens has like Bird Box, you can, not Bird Box, something box. You can get this at Walgreens. This is the Chella Clear Brow Gel. Brow gel helps set, keep those hairs standing up. I'm going to be using the Hourglass Vanish concealer. This concealer is amazing. And this is like what I do like when I'm in a rush because I don't have time for the MAC paint pot. I'm kind of in a rush, so I'm going to take that concealer and then I'm going to set it with a translucent powder to just basically create my eyeshadow base to give me a smooth canvas because I am in a rush, literally. Me and my friend are going to a wine bar to just have some wine and just relax and have some food. So yes, and I always just like take the excess powder or excess shadow and press it into my skin, so then that way it's just kind of like pressed in the brush. We're taking the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. I've barely used this palette, and I wanted a shadow look that was like brown, like kind of like, I don't want to say natural, but I would say neutral. And I'm going to just take the color Cocoa Truffle and just apply that first, and we're going to apply that in the crease lightly with this Morphe brush. It's fluffy, but it's tapered. And I'm going to take Love&COCOA. It's like a shimmery brown shade, and I'm going to just apply that to deepen the outer V going into the crease. And yes, I like to use shimmers. Like, I don't like kind of going like an order anymore. I like to just use shimmer. I just want it to be like, what is the correct term? I gotta find terms. Like, I just want it to be, you know, just kind of diffused out, like a nice, just diffused shadow. Like, I didn't want like a whole bunch of something going on. I want to take this black shade, or you can just use any black shade, and I'm just going to take this Morphe brush. I'm just going to apply it right into my crease area, very, very, very lightly and defined, and that's just going to build up some depth. And I'm going to blend it out with just like a fluffy brush. So like I always say, I do easy shadows on this channel, like easy. Sorry about my background. This is the kitchen, so you're gonna see a Brita, you're gonna see someone's water bottle, because I was just like, I need some space. And then I'm going to just take the color Famous. It's a gold color. I didn't kind of want this to just be like a gold shadow look. So I put on top of that the color Rich Girl, which is like a beautiful, I want to say champagne pearl iridescent type of eyeshadow. And I'm just going to use my fingers. Using your fingers for shimmers, literally, especially if you're on a go, the best thing ever. And your finger picks up the product perfectly. And I'm just going to take this Luxe brush or Luxie brush and just do a light blend. Light blend. I'm just showing you guys two shadows. I'm going to take the Lilly lashes and prep them. This is in Myknos. I love Lilly lashes. They're amazing, reusable. She always has sales. Love it. And this is a Hikari eyeliner in black. I'm going to just line my waterline with this one. Super creamy, super smooth. It's a retractable black eyeliner, and it's by the brand Hikari. So I really like this one. I think it's really inexpensive as well. And all products are always listed down below in the description box, social media, everything. Make sure you check it out. I'm going to take the NYX Liquid Matte Eyeliner and just do a small wing. Like, I'm just going for something really like light on the eyes, like nothing like too hectic and crazy. Like, just, you know, like just nothing too hectic and like just crazy. I just wanted something. I just wanted some eyeshadow. That's it. I was more focused on getting to the wine bar and getting some rosé. That was my main focus when I'm putting this liner. And I always just start out by flicking my wing, dragging it in, and then filling it in. When you're doing eyeliner, it really helps if you have somewhere to rest your elbow on. It makes it easier. When you're comfortable, it makes it more easier. I'm just going to take the Chanel La Volume Mascara, the best mascara for tiny lashes like me. And I'm just going to apply this lightly. This is just going to help my false lashes apply better. And also it's going to help it blend a little bit more. I'm going to take the Laura Mercier foundation. This is the Flawless Lumiere Radiance Foundation. I've used this before. This foundation is amazing. Great if you have dry skin. Great for the winter. This is the color 5C1 Nutmeg. I'm taking this Fenty foundation brush. I'm just going to apply this all over the skin. Now I'm going to take the Hourglass Vanish Concealer. This is the color Velvet. This concealer is amazing. You can use this like alone. This concealer is super full coverage, hydrating. Hourglass, you know, it's like cruelty-free vegan brand. It is amazing. A little bit pricey, but it is worth the money. Like, you get what you pay for. This thing covers so good, and the color range and the undertones are amazing. Like, I love this concealer. And I always, for the most part, if I'm being lazy, apply my concealer of my skin tone first, especially when I'm on a highlight, because it just minimizes flashback. Also, it gives you more coverage. Now I'm going to take the same concealer in the shade Flax. I like it because it has that yellow undertone, and we're just going to highlight the inner part of our face. As I always say, the inner part of the face is where the light hits. And we're going to take a damp sponge, which is a damp beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend that out. And after this, I'm going to set it with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, the original one, underneath the eyes. It's just for like highlighting. And I'm just going to dust this off. But I love applying, you don't have to do this, is just maybe an extra, the Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micro Powder by Charlotte Tilbury in the number 2. I like applying it in like my inner corner by my nose. Like it's just maybe an extra. You don't have to do that. And I'm just gonna dust it off with this Charlotte Tilbury like tapered like brush. And I look so ashy, but I promise you I'm not. The lighting is just not the best. Like the setup is just not my normal setup. So please excuse it, but I promise you I'm not ashy. And I'm going to take the Fenty bronzer in Mocha Mami, the best bronzer ever. I love that red because it gives just warmness to the skin, especially on my skin tone. So I'm just going to use some bronze. I didn't need the contour. I'm just like bronzing my face with an angled Sedona lace brush that I've had for years. Now I'm going to take the blush by MAC Razin. This color is beautiful. Whenever you want something natural and just like some warmth, Razin is beautiful. And I'm just going to take the shadow that I blended in. Just put that underneath my eye. Same method. Apply what you did to the top to the bottom. And it's the color Love and Cocoa. And I just like to apply some mascara to my lower lashes as well. I always just do that after. I want to take MAC's Whisper of Guilt highlighter with a Morphe, oh my god, a Morphe tapered brush. And I like this because it's smaller, so you kind of have a little bit more control of the highlighter. I still love highlighter. I'm going to take the MAC's Chestnut, the best lip liner. If you're brown, dark skin, I love it. Lip liner. I'm just going to line my lips. And I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury Penelope Pink lipstick with this as well. Then I'm going to take Hot Chocolate by Fenty Beauty. This is a beautiful lip gloss. Beautiful. I am like obsessed with Fenty lip glosses now. I just bought another one. They are literally amazing. Like they're non-sticky. They're comfortable on lips. They don't peel your lips. They don't crack your lips. And the color range is amazing. So I'm going to apply these lashes on. I used the Duo Glue. I've been using it for years. And this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you check my social media. I post on there. And make sure you hit that bell, like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.
Come change my life. Let's go for a ride. Outside the club, we come alive. Let's go for a ride. Yeah, I wanna get to know you. I don't wanna leave so soon. You and me forever, or maybe just for tonight. Do you wanna get to know me?